So the cool thing about reading this text, what do they do with all that poop? It comes with some really cool ideas. So for the Engage, I would talk about the fact that at the very end, it talks about how elephants poop is used to actually make paper. So I would show them a quick clip of what that means.
What I'm holding right now is normal paper. But what if I told you that this paper is made out of poop? Real elephant poop. Someone in the country of Sri Lanka took something that's very worthless, poop, and made a business out of it. Turns out elephants in real life are vegetarian, and they produce poop filled with fiber that's honestly not that disgusting. So someone took this poop, dried it, cleaned it, dyed it, spread it, compressed it, smoothed it, cut it, combined it, and made it into a real paper product that is sold in over 30 countries. All of this comes from the poop of 8 elephants only, because each one of them poops 16 times a day. To make this paper, you don't need to cut down any forests like this. You give jobs to people who are otherwise unemployed, and you build a business. There is no better way to describe it. They made a business out of... That's a minute!
I, of course, would cut it off before he bleeps, but I would show them the cool act of making paper. So we would talk about reducing, reusing, and recycling, which is something that would tie into our social studies lesson. And I would have them make their own paper. I don't have all I don't have the blender here to make our own paper, but I would show them the quick steps of how to make our own recycled paper. So I would have a big bin of paper that we've collected over time, whether it be old warm-ups or old tests, and we would blend that paper up really, 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 really nicely. So I'm gonna show them the steps of how we would make that. And this is our contribution to the earth of reducing, reusing, and recycling. So I would have all of this set up for them. I'm only really showing the video because I don't have everything here with me personally. So these are the steps that we would go through to get the perfect paper or the perfect recycled paper. So you would fill a mixing bowl with warm water, tear the toilet paper into tiny pieces, and drop them into the water. So those are the quick steps of how we would be making our own paper in the classroom. We're not going to be using elephant poop because we don't just have elephants laying around. So this would be our introduction to how they would make their own version of elephant poop. It won't be able to.